G'day guys, it's Kelvin from the Cartoon Company in New Zealand. I'm playing with some Tuna Studio for megasquirt, and I'm doing this for a mate of mine, Aaron, up in Auckland. He has an Altezza with a 1UZ in it, running a proper ECU, running a link. I'll get in trouble for that, eh? And he has a big horn. That's a vehicle. It's an Isuzu, and it runs a megasquirt. And contrary to popular belief, I don't mind the megasquirts. I do hassle the crap out of them because some of the quality of the workmanship of the megasquirt looms we get here in New Zealand is below average. But I have actually ordered, now it has arrived, a megasquirt. So I'm going to do a video series on megasquirt ECU onto a non-VVTi 1UZ and how to do it properly and set it up properly. Anyway, let's have a look at this. This is Aaron's tune. And Aaron, I sent him a tune that was good enough to run his non-VVTi 1UZ when it was in a naturally aspirated form. But he has since fitted a supercharger, so it doesn't run ideally anymore, because he also fitted some 440cc injectors. So we need to reduce the fueling. We need to tweak the tables, and we need to probably adjust the timing a little bit. Ideally, Aaron would set the base timing. I'm just going to change what I'm going to do in here. This is the fuel map. It's found up here. Fuel settings, VE table 1. And what is that button there? I don't actually know what that button is. Anyway, what we're going to do, and this is one he sent me back. Well, he sent me the email. He just replied to the email I sent it to him on. And we are going to go up here. No, I'm not. I'm going to go here, actually. And I'm going to input a new figure. I'm going to put 160. And, that didn't work on me. Let's try that again. I'm going to go 100 here. And then I'm going to go 120 here. And I'm going to go 140 here. That allows us to go up to 160 there, which is 160. 1.6. So it's the first bar of boost is atmosphere, the first bar of pressure. So it's 0.6 of a bar of boost pressure, of gauge pressure. We could stretch them more if he wants to put more boost up it. Okay, and so now this table is going to be, that one's going to be a little bit low, but and overall we want to reduce the fuel anyway. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab it here and I'm going to go shift and I'm going to go along here. I'm going to go down there and I'm going to push this little down button here. And it's going to ask me how much to move them down by, and I'm going to go 20. Oh, probably shouldn't have done. 100's just coming in. Now we might just change that a little bit. I'm just going to grab that. And I'm going to go plus that one. And I'm going to put that back up by 10. So that's just going to smooth it out a little bit. And Aaron's going to pop in there and see how it goes under boost and normal driving. Try and make it drive nicely. You'll do a bit of a rev and see how close it is. Okay, so we're going to close that one. And of course he's going to burn that into the ECU, but I'm going to close that. I'm going to close that. I'm going to get some spark and I'm going to grab the table 1. I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm going to go 100. I'm going to go 120. I'm going to go 140. And I'm going to go 160. And then from about here, and we really, this is, I'm going to pull some timing out. and I'm just going to highlight the areas I want to do, and I just type in the number that I want. Okay, and I'm going right down to 22 here. I'm actually going to go down to 20, and I'm going to pull some timing out here. We're going quite a lot, so I'm going to go 4 degrees. I normally aim on an NA engine for about 10 to 12 degrees at half a bar to start with. We can always bring it back up as long as you keep that engine alive. But if you get it too high and you blow pistons to bits, you detonate pistons to bits, then it's no point bringing the time back up because you need to do an engine first. So let's start low. Do have the problem if you get it too low, you get too high in the exhaust temperatures because the flame front's still burning out the exhaust. It's hardened exhaust valves. Let's go 13. And 10. Right, Aaron's going to slam that into his big horn, and he is going to fire it up and see how it runs. Okay, we're going to close that, and we're going to save that. That's going to give a fairly good idea. He really needs a wideband, he knows that. This will test his skills. If he gets this wrong, he'll stuff his engine, and he's aware of that as well. And we'll see how we get on, whether I'm going to take a trip to Auckland, and I have him to go up there anyway for something else. And we go out and have a look at his big horn and his megasquirt and have a few bits and pieces and a bit of a play. But also look out for my megasquirt videos, my microsquirt videos. Same platform as the MS2 anyway. We're going to set them up on a UZ and make the UZ run as good as we can with quite a primitive ECU compared to the technology that's out there today. But perfectly fine for the cheaper end of the market if you want to keep on a budget. We'll discuss that too, because here in New Zealand it's actually not that cheap because freight kills it. Aaron, have a good one. Hope that's helpful, and we'll talk to you later or when you phone me. Catch you, mate.